Liability insurance no license. These days many parents who are sending their children off to school are very simply just keeping their college freshmen under their current health insurance plan, figuring that this is their cheapest and best option. In some cases it may be, but for many parents of college students, student health insurance may be a better overall option. Health insurance quite often gives the illusion that it will provide universal care, but in fact it is actually regional coverage, with a misconception that they are fully covered with a travel outside the community but they work and live in. The benefits are still present, but they are drastically and significantly reduced. This is something to consider for your college student that is listed as a resident in your home when in fact they are actually living on campus or near the campus that is 100+ miles from your home. This can result in them not receiving medical care on your insurance policy except in cases where the network benefits are present or there is an emergency. Many colleges and private schools now offer most college students health insurance benefits at very low premiums, mostly because college students are in good health and generally don't require much regular medical care throughout these years, including the early 30s years. You could notice significant changes in your monthly premium cost if your college student is listed as the only dependent on your primary health insurance plan and changing your status from individual or individual and spousal dependents to that of A. The savings could be significant if your student opted out of your primary health insurance plan and went with their own student insurance plan. For the most part, information about the health insurance options that are available are usually contained in the information packet that comes to you from the admissions office at your local colleges and universities. If, however, you don't find health insurance information contained within the initial materials that are sent to you from the school, to contact them directly so that they can send you more information about their student health insurance benefits plan. Keeping your student insured during the time that they are away from home is important, not only because you don't know what will come up, but because most schools will require proof of health insurance, especially for those who live on campus or who are involved in sports. When it comes to health insurance options, don't just assume that the coverage that you currently have is best. Instead, consider all the options. You may just find that a student health insurance plan offers you better coverage at a better price.